If you have been looking for a free tool for your AI videos, then you need to watch to the end. In this video, I will show you a new AI tool that gives you free credits for your AI videos and images. This tool allows you have access to models like Grok, Kling Omni, and others for free. Let me show you how.
So guys, this is the platform I was talking about. The name of the platform is called OiiOii AI. I already put the link in the description, so feel free to grab it when you are ready to try this out. This is how the homepage looks like. So when you sign up newly with your new email, you're going to get 200 credits for free, and after that 50 credits daily, which is amazing. As you can see, this is how the homepage looks like, and you have a lot of different kinds of things you can also do. As you can see, you can do product ads, you can design scenes, design character, story, a lot of things that you can actually do on here, aside just creating your images and your video. Now, to get started, all you need to do is to click on Start Creating. When you click on Start Creating, it's going to open up your project. So you can see it's going to ask you if you want to do story anime, design a character scene, or just simply come here and then paste your prompt. Now, if you want to attach anything, you can click on the plus button. You can do your scripting from here, and then of course you can click on different kind of AI models that you want to use. Can you see this, guys? Even the ChatGPT 2.0 is available on this particular tool, which makes it amazing. So look at this, guys. Look at all the tools available here. And if you click on the video also, the ones with the crowns are the ones you pay for, but if you scroll down, you're going to see other ones that you can use with your free credits. Look at this, guys. Grok Imagine 1.5, and then we also have Halo 2.3, Kling Omni, Sidans 1.5, Kling 2.6, Video Q2, Halo 2.3. This is so good, guys. So this is really amazing. So let's test it out and see what we can do. Let's use ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is really my go-to right now. So this is the filter button. When you toggle on this filter button, it opens up different aspect ratio, and then depending on what you're doing, you can set to 2K resolution or 4K, and then you pick whichever aspect ratio you want. So let's do 9:16, and then let's just do a very simple prompt to create an image. So guys, we are doing something very simple. So I just said ultra realistic Muslim woman sitting at a kitchen. So I'm going to specify her gender. So I want to use black woman, and then the description of where she is and everything, and then I'm just going to go ahead and prompt, and then we're going to wait and see what we get. So guys, this is a really good alternative if you are looking for other tools, especially if you are not yet buoyant enough to actually subscribe to tools. Then this is a really good thing for you to try. So guys, take a look at this. Isn't this amazing? Just take a look at this. This is so nice. Look at how detailed and realistic it looks like. So that is really nice. Now, aside creating your images, you can obviously do your videos as well. To do your videos, all you need to do is to click on this and then pick video, and then it opens up where you are actually going to prompt for the video and everything. And as always, you can pick your aspect ratio, you can pick how many seconds the video is going to last. Let's reduce it to 8, and then you have access to pick the camera shot, how you want it to be. So let's do follow shot, because I feel that would be nice. And then you have access to pick which model you are actually going to use for the video. So let's use which one should we use? Let's see if we can use the Grok one. So that would be so nice. Let me see if my aspect ratio is correct. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, and then we can now prompt her. So let's do something simple, like she takes a bite and chews happily. Okay, let's say she takes a bite, chews, and says, "This is delicious." So something very simple, and then let's prompt and see. So you can see, guys, very easy to use, straightforward, and you can do quite a lot with your free credits before you even think of starting to subscribe. And you can always register with multiple emails, so you can just use them interchangeably. So this is really, really lovely, guys. So guys, the video is done generating.
This is delicious.
This is really, really nice. So you can see, you can do your videos, your images, anything you want to do on here with your free credits.
So guys, will you be trying it out? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you on my next video.